muffins.
Butter.
How we do, yes.
Welcome to the Rick House Show, where Nova Scotia comes to talk on News 95. Today's host, Jordy Morgan.
So we got some breakfast on the go here. Chocolate chip cookies and last day of March. Looks pretty good.
Oh my god. I don't know how it doesn't send shivers down.
Perfect. Throwing some bacon there.
The government gets to label you a conspiracy theorist and send you to a boot camp.
Yeah, to desensitize you.
What fucking movie are we living in?
Coffee's on the go here.
Beautiful spring morning it is here in Nova Scotia. And I was going through some Nova Scotia Department of Finance numbers, which is just the greatest thing in the world to do first thing in the morning.
Okay, buddy, here we go.
It indicates that the net universal migration into Nova Scotia has been quite good over the course of the last year or so. Our numbers are going up. I heard a rumor the other day that Nova Scotia would actually break the 1 million
You're not eating an egg?
population.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook a few for me.
Sometime in the next year or so.
Here.
A lot of it is being driven by migration to places like
And then just give me this because I kind of screwed it up with the. Just pick off your bacon, I guess.
you know, I mean, there still is a pretty good number of people who are making their choice.
All right, round two.
But there are lots of counties throughout Nova Scotia, far-flung counties, as they're referred to, and it's an interesting trend. So,
I hear you, bud. We hear you.
I put out some snacks for them.
No, did you?
Yeah.
All of this. And we're joined today by someone who knows his way around it. Neil Lovett. He's with Turner Drake.
They look good. All right.
Don't
mind if I do.
Hi, Neil. How are you doing, Jordy? I'm doing very well, thank you. So, can you give us some sort of an explanation on this? I think
Got a lot of great wood, so.
people can make that they want to come to Nova Scotia because it's all clean and green and we have better opportunities for remote work.
Breakfast in the woods.
So what are your numbers telling you?
It's gonna be 15 degrees today, so it's gonna be one of the nicest days.
What's going on, and it's definitely the most interesting piece of the puzzle, I think, and that's why you see a lot of it talked about in the media these days. But there's really kind of two sides to that coin. So you mentioned that the numbers from the Department of Finance, which I can only imagine were so thrilling to go through, the net migration is up substantially.
How is it good? Yeah.
Is the balance of inflows and
Yummy or what, buddy?
right? So we have a little bit of an increase, I would say, on the inflow of people, especially from Ontario. But the other, and I would say bigger piece of the puzzle, is that we also have had a significant decrease in the outflow of people from the province. So that's been going on for a couple of years, but especially with the pandemic, that really put a damper on a lot of people's movement plans for obvious reasons. And so that, I think, has been the bigger piece of the overall impact, that we're actually keeping more people in, at least over the last year. And then whoever else we get moving into the province, in addition to that, just adds to the pressure.
Okay, so the news story, and we all
Okay, man, here's one anyway.
But you said the net, and here we are, and it's successful and all that kind of stuff. But many people talk about the nature of pent-up demand as it relates to the pandemic period. And I'm wondering, is there a possibility, do you think, or is it likely that we're going to see that same kind of pent-up demand for people leaving the province once restrictions begin to be eased? Are people just waiting to move? Is that something that
All right, we're back.
are at least
Breakfast from the
because presumably
shelter.
that has an impact on housing prices.
The
and all
Jordan
other
Morgan
things
Show.
that you see attendant with that flow of migration and immigration.
Yeah, I mean,
27 degrees in here.
the real thing
We'll be back.
need to